The future of travel is moving toward a world where mobility feels almost effortless. As global networks become smarter, travelers will step into an era defined by ubiquitous, autonomous, and interconnected systems. Airports will transform from stressful hubs into streamlined environments powered by biometric entrances and seamless identity verification. Instead of paper documents, a digital passport will create a frictionless experience, allowing passengers to circle the world with unprecedented efficiency. Transportation itself will undergo a groundbreaking shift. Hyperloop trains, capable of reaching near supersonic speeds, will make journeys between major cities nearly instantaneous. In the sky, aerodynamic aircraft using sustainable fuels will drastically reduce emissions. Travelers will increasingly prefer eco-friendly options as societies become more environmentally conscious. Sustainable resorts built with biodegradable materials and powered entirely by renewable resources will redefine tourism. Moreover, artificial intelligence will personalize every stage of the journey. AI systems will curate bespoke itineraries based on emotional preferences, analyzing habits to suggest the most meaningful experiences. Smart hotels will anticipate needs through predictive automation, adjusting lights, temperature, and services before the traveler even asks. This shift toward anticipatory hospitality will make every trip feel more immersive, comfortable, and emotionally fulfilling. As climate concerns intensify, the travel industry will embrace a transformative commitment to sustainability. The rise of carbon-negative technology will allow future aircraft to clean the air as they fly. Coastal destinations once threatened by erosion will be protected with innovative regenerative engineering that strengthens ecosystems instead of damaging them. Tourism agencies will encourage responsible exploration, guiding visitors to respect local cultures and preserve fragile environments. Cities across the world will evolve into multimodal transportation zones, reducing reliance on cars. Self-driving shuttles, hydrogen-powered buses, and integrated bike networks will make travel inside urban areas more accessible than ever. Rural destinations will also be revitalized, supported by smart infrastructure and digitized navigation maps that reveal hidden heritage sites and ancient landscapes. Another major trend will be the pursuit of meaningful, introspective travel. People will no longer travel simply to take photos. They will travel to heal, to learn, and to grow. Wellness retreats will offer holistic programs combining nature therapy, meditation, and cultural immersion. Meanwhile, remote work technology will give rise to location-independent living, enabling individuals to become geographically fluid global citizens. Finally, immersive learning experiences will flourish. Travelers will join experiential workshops, from indigenous cooking classes to conservation volunteering. This shift will strengthen empathy and foster a deeper understanding of human diversity. In an increasingly polarized world, travel will become a bridge of intercultural harmony, helping societies rebuild trust and solidarity. The long-term future of travel extends far beyond Earth. Commercial spaceflight will evolve from an extravagant dream into a viable industry. Space capsules equipped with pressurized cabins will take travelers on orbital tours, offering panoramic views of the planet. Lunar hotels will become rare attractions, built with reinforced materials designed to withstand cosmic radiation. Scientists predict that Mars expeditions will transition from exploration to colonization, opening opportunities for adventurous travelers to join pioneering missions. Parallel to physical expansion, virtual travel will revolutionize global mobility. Ultra-realistic simulations powered by photorealistic graphics and haptic technology will allow people to explore distant continents without leaving home. For those with limited mobility or financial constraints, this digital frontier will provide equitable access to global exploration. Virtual platforms will offer interactive cultural exchanges, enabling real-time language learning, historical reenactments, and even collaborative expeditions. However, physical travel will remain irreplaceable. The sensory richness of tasting local cuisine, hearing unfamiliar music, and feeling new climates cannot be fully replicated. Yet virtual technology will enhance these experiences by offering supplementary preparation tools, helping travelers reduce anxiety, learn essential phrases, and understand regional etiquette before departing. Ultimately, the future of travel will be defined by harmony between innovation and humanity. Whether venturing into deep space or navigating ancient streets, travelers will pursue journeys that are enlightening, purposeful, and deeply connected to the world's shared destiny.